back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we will see the interesting thing, that is how to develop the image analysis or image segmentation for the crop called Rice. So this simple exercise, or you can say a simple project, helpful to develop and analyze the rice. If you have image of rice, it will predict and give the information properly. Results, we can divide the image into multiple parts, and each part is helpful to enhance the image for further analysis. So that's the motto of this thing. So here, as of rice is a small crop. So with the help of this segmentation technique, we can do further more research. So first of all, for this one, we are going to collect the data set through online only from data Dropbox, where we have data from the unrest.bmp. So we are collecting the only one rice. From there, we are going to generate the other things like that. So for this one, we have to import the package called NumPy, and followed by import the package called matplot for visualizing everything, and imread also, imread. So it will read the image properly. So if you want to display the image, we can use the function called image equal to imread of onerace.bmp, and plot plt.show for display the image. So this is the image before enhancement. Once you done enhancement analysis, then it will show further variations. And we are going to use the function called hobbies image. So this is used to give the information about the size of the image, and with the help of NumPy it will helpful to say the maximum size of the image and minimum size of the image. So once execute the coding, you can give it will print the information with the help of the word function called hobbies image. That is, the size is called 64,64,3 by default. Maximum size is 183, minimum is 59, because price is a very small only. So then we can give another one. Again, we can implement hobbies access and show. If you want, you can convert the image into gray. So for converting the gray, we can write the function called cmaps equal to gray half. Then we can use the plot show for the display the information with the measurements like maximum size is 183, by default minimum is 59 with the access. So this is the image we are converted to the gray for further enhancement. And we are going to call the segmentation function, where we are using the voice code np.0 of n, w, and using the for loop and the statement. And if at all okay, it will add the 1, then print the area and return y. Then we are going to segment, and also we have to segment the image with good threshold value. For this one, we are writing the code, that is y is equal to segment of a of x, 120, followed by obvious y of. Then we are writing the code to pw.show of also. Then we display the information like area. Area is 597 by default, and maximum size is 255.0, minimum size is 0.0, with all the axes will printed, and the color is changed here, because we are going to segment the image with good threshold value, that is 120, like that. So like that you can do some variations, and again we are writing the coding, and again we are converting the image into gray. So it display convert the image into gray, and the shape also. So if you want to go further enhancement or analysis, you can call the function called n, m square to x dot shape. Then you can write the code for loop and im show. We are writing the gray. So the above image is converted to the gray with the background, and pixel also changed here. And again we are changing the value of 60. So again it changed like this. So this is a way how we can develop, that means image analysis for the rice crop, or you can say rice segmentation. I hope that you understand the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.